So today we are going to write a love letter for your girlfriend using ChatGPT. So it's too much easy and simple. So just you have to go in the chat section and just you have to type write a love letter for my girlfriend. Okay. So I'm just typing. So now it is writing a love letter to my girlfriend. Okay, so this is very useful tool to write a love letter to your girlfriend. So now you can see it is working and it is writing a love letter. Okay, so now you can see here, and there is a dear girlfriend, and you can change the name, and you can easily write a love letter with the help of ChatGPT. So now you can see here, for example, if your girlfriend is Korean or if your girlfriend is Japanese, then if you don't know the script, or if you don't know how to write the Japanese or Korean language, and you can translate it. Okay, so you can tell ChatGPT, just you have to type here translate it in Korean. Okay, then just you have to press enter. So now you can see it is translating all those things in the Japanese language. So in this way you can easily translate your all the things. Okay, so it is one of the useful things to create love letters to your girlfriends if you are using ChatGPT. So now you can see it is translating. It will take a minute time. Okay guys, so now you can see here it is almost completed my love letter to my Korean girlfriend. So in this way you can also create a beautiful love letter to your girlfriend with the help of ChatGPT. So now after writing the love letter, you can create a poem for your girlfriend also. Okay, so I'm going to create a poem. So I'm just telling ChatGPT write a poem to my girlfriend. Okay, then after that just have to press enter. So now ChatGPT is writing a poem to my girlfriend. So in this way you can easily write a beautiful poem which can give more impression, and you can easily send it to your girlfriend. So now you can say it is telling that my love for you, it grows each day. It's plain that never fades away. Okay, so it's awesome, right? So you can do lots of those things with the help of ChatGPT. Okay guys, so you can do lots of those things with the help of ChatGPT. So now if you want to do copywriting, then in that case it will be very useful for you. So how to write or how to do copywriting with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, so for example, if you want to do brings few conversion, then in that case just you have to type write copywriting for height again. Okay, then after that I'm pressing enter. So it is writing copywriting. Okay, so it is preparing copywriting for height gain, so which can give you more conversion. And so now you can see it is giving very powerful words. So in this way you can prepare copywriting with the help of ChatGPT. So guys, now after preparing the copywriting to your product, now you can easily create or you can easily make different types of the festival wishes with the help of ChatGPT. And so now you have to wish to your girlfriend. Okay, so now you have to give instruction to your ChatGPT. Create a happy new year wish to my girlfriend. Okay, then after that, so now you can see it is preparing a happy new year messages to my girlfriend. Okay, so in this way you can take help of ChatGPT to do lots of things. Okay, if there is any type of occasion or festival, then you can create a wishing message with the help of ChatGPT. Okay guys, so if you are a freelancer and if you are working in different type of the website, for example, if you are working in the Upwork, if you are working in Fiverr, then in that case you can take help of ChatGPT. So it's too much easy and simple. So for this one, just you have to type. Okay, so for example, if you want to create the Fiverr gig title in description, then in that case you can take a help of your ChatGPT. For example, I am a professional comedian and write a Fiverr gig title and description for my Fiverr gig. Okay, so I'm giving instruction, I'm pressing enter. So now after this one, so it will give you a very beautiful type of the gig title and description for your Fiverr gig, and it helps you to bring more sales on, or it will help you to bring more conversion in your Fiverr gig. So in this way you can easily create Fiverr gig title and description, or you can create a beautiful, amazing portfolio or amazing profile to your freelancing profile. Okay, so in this way you can take help of ChatGPT to create Fiverr gig title and description. Okay guys, so after that you can create amazing YouTube title also. Okay, so for example, if you are a YouTuber and if you want to create a beautiful title with the help of ChatGPT, then you can do that one. Okay, so for that one, write 5 suggestions for my YouTube video title. Okay, the title is how to make happy okay, how to create, okay, how to make happy how to give more happiness to my girlfriend. Okay, after that I'm pressing enter. So now you can see it is creating beautiful and attractive and high CTR type of the YouTube video title. So now you can see it is too much easy. Okay, so in this way, if you are a YouTuber, you can easily use ChatGPT to create a awesome YouTube title. Okay, so let's move on. Okay guys, so sometime if you want to create email to your client or to your friends, family, in that case also you can take help of ChatGPT. Okay, so for that one, for example, if you are writing email to your girlfriend, write a beautiful email to my girlfriend. Okay, so if you type like this, it will create a beautiful email to my girlfriend. Okay, so in this way you can easily create, you can easily do lots of things with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, so it is creating a beautiful email to my girlfriend. Okay, so for example, I'm just write a professional email to my school teacher. Okay, so I'm just writing a professional email to my school teacher. So my ChatGPT is helping me to create a professional email to my school teacher. Okay, so it is helping me lots. Okay, so in this way you can easily you can easily create email to your teacher also. So if you are creating any types of the email, you can take help of ChatGPT. Okay guys, so if you want to write an essay for your project or something else, so in that time also you can take help of ChatGPT. So for example, I am just typing write a essay about girlfriend. Okay, and word should be less than 100 words, sorry, 150 words, and I'm pressing enter. So now it is creating a essay. Okay, so it will help me to do lots of things. Okay, so it is one of the useful thing. Okay, so now we can see it is creating essay. The topic of essay is girlfriend, and it will be less than 150 words. Okay guys, so in this way, if you want to create any type of the essay, so in that case it will help you to create lots of things. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how can you create a product description with the help of ChatGPT. So if you are a Amazon seller, if you are a Flipkart seller, if you are 𝗲𝗲 seller, if you are running e-commerce website, then in that case you can take help of ChatGPT to create product description. So I am just typing write a product description about computer. So after that it will create an amazing type of the description, and it will help you to bring more sales on your product after using this product. Okay, so in this way we can easily create a product description about computer. So it is so much easy to create product description with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, so now we can say it created a beautiful and very powerful product description, and you have to modify it and you can use it. Okay guys, so if you are a social media influencer, in that case you can also take help of ChatGPT. ChatGPT can create awesome and attractive social media post. For example, if you want to create a Facebook post, then in that case you can take help of ChatGPT. So I'm just typing write a birthday wishes message to my girlfriend for Facebook post. So now it is creating a happy birthday post to my girlfriend, and it will be very easy and simple. Okay, so now you can see it is creating. So that's why you can create lots of things, and you can create various type of the social media post with the help of ChatGPT. So now let's move on. Okay guys, so now you can create, or you can do few type of the programming also with the help of ChatGPT. For example, if you are if you want to create a JavaScript code, or if you want to create a PHP code, in that case you can easily do this one. So I'm just create a create a JavaScript code and make block, and after that I'm just pressing this one, and it will create a JavaScript code to make a block. Okay, so in this way you can easily do lots of things with the help of JavaScript. You can do lots of programming, and you have to use it inside your website after creating those codes. If you are a programmer, then sometimes it may be very useful for you. So that's why if you want to create few course blogs, then in that case you have to take help of ChatGPT. Okay guys, so now I'm going to teach you the last thing which may be very helpful for you. If you are seeking jobs, or if you are trying to apply in job vacancy, in that case you have to prepare CV and cover letter, right? So for that one also you can indeed ChatGPT. If you want to create CV, curriculum data, and cover letter with the help of ChatGPT, so in that case, thus you have to write a CV. Okay, name example by address Washington DC, DOB 1997, February 2, email example @gmail.com, phone, okay, blood group, sorry, A+B, education, graduation. Okay, and after that I am just pressing enter. So now it will prepare a CV, and it will be very useful for you. Okay, so now you can see it is preparing a CV for my job vacancy. So in this way you can use ChatGPT in lots of tasks. So it will help you to save your time, and it will do lots of things. Okay, so hoping that you learn something from this video. So if you want to also learn more interesting things on my YouTube channel, you have to subscribe my YouTube channel. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.